everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting our xTool P3 to work to cut this intricate geometric lantern. First, let's hop into the xTool Creative Space, XCS's software, where I've laid out the entire lantern design. Next, we select our material. For this project, I'm using 1/8 inches, 3 basswood plywood. Once the material is selected, we set up our cut parameters. Mode cut. Power, 90%. Speed, 50 mm/s. Pass. 1. Air assist, 100% airflow pump on high, to keep those laser cut edges clean and char-free. With everything dialed in, let's hit process and watch the magic happen inside the machine. All the pieces are freshly cut and ready straight from the xTool. Next up, we're applying a coat of General Finishes, Gel Stain in American Oak. This is the exact shade that gives the lantern that rich, warm wooden finish. Once everything is completely dry, we'll assemble the panels, glue the joints securely in place, and pop the light inside. Here is our finished lantern, all glowing and complete. I really hope you enjoyed watching this build and following along with the process. If you loved the project, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and support the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.